That is taking
The Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Barrister Uche Okuku, bịagwa anyị okwu maka ihe akụkụ. Bịa ije ekwu ya maka ndị nche na o nwere ihe Ohanaeze na-eti ya mfe. Anyị nwapụ ndị Ohanaeze.
Permit me to start on the system protocol of consult. Agamasu here. First, Obi na talk motor today, and all your record that ADF have fulfilled my dream. When I came in, I was happy. Nobody believed how the Igbo no na Akwa na the Igbo no na Cross River. I am very happy that ADF went to do for them. Biafra, Maka, ihe gbasara mmanụ Nigeria, ndị mmadụ ama. The Igbo-speaking people of Akwa were the sort of the Ndomi as a group able into Akwa. How are they? They are traumatized and are forgotten. If you are traveling from Calabar to Goja, when you reach the junction of Ntenante Junction, one will take you on the left to Boki, the other one will take you on the left to Abakaliki. The whole of that house is Swalandi. The people are. I am one day with the Igboshi, a those sitting there. If you are traveling from Abo into Asia land, the first place they do is their own market. How Eke, Holy, Afo, is the how it is. Then they have been lost. A walk and a hooker, the whole people on that. They do one nation. No, really. Esa, Nando, Ndi Boba, ADF. As an intellectual movement with strong intellectual strength, go and look for our brothers in the world. In 1980, there was famine in Ethiopia. When Bisheba visited Solomon, the Bible did not record it. Solomon pregnanted Bisheba. She gave birth to a son called Menelik. They remained in Ethiopia, that is older person, for thousands of years. But when there was famine in Ethiopia, they were dying. The government of Israel sent their people to rescue the black Jews or the descendants of Menelik in Ethiopia. They sent aircrafts and took them back to Israel. Today, the descendants of Solomon through Bisheba are properly settled in Israel. Our own case is that our brothers now very close to us, either in Chibouka, I think we are not fair to them. We have to look for them. If Israel If Israel, after 4,000 to 5,000 years, look for their brothers that were lost in Ethiopia, we have to go our brothers in Ethiopia to bring them into the fold of the people. I'm happy too that when I came here, I met one of my very prominent brothers, Onyigwe. I'm happy that in recent times, our people are becoming courageous as they were before the war, before they were traumatized after the war. How will we do? Now let me go to the issue of the day. First, we congratulate and thank ADF. ADF has done a lot to complement and help Ohanaeze to achieve some things Ohanaeze could have achieved as a peace organization. ADF is an intellectual part of Igbo race. we will continue to support and encourage media to do this good job. It's equally important that all the works of media are preserved. The first thing, only ọbụla ihe na-eme ndị mmadụ na-eme ha wee ego obodo ha merie ha n'agha. They don't loot their things, they don't burn their houses. If you are intelligent, unless when you are very conscious of the process of this, the first thing you do is to burn their life, one life and all. That's the first thing. When you burn their library, you burn their history, you burn their memory. 8 years. Not enough to document, but you must not allow this library to be burnt. You must preserve it and make sure the works of media, these books and other works, get into the various rooms of the media. And now, if possible, let discussions go on radio and television. Debate. Can you go na radio program? In recent times, our people don't use newspapers again. First, the language they take the paper, Guardian is as well too high. Only now have one like me. Yet no man now soft newspaper. Can't they 50 naira? Collaborate with them. Let the works of media go into soft English. That our people, Roya, Marino, Naba, Onocha, Port Harcourt, Enugu is important to our people. The thought, 8 years was developed an active program. This active program is that ATF must work hard with other particular groups or other groups than me. Just like the deal with Ohanese. And in all honesty, I thank the President General and Dr. Yahya Ohanese, Admin Secretary Ohanese is sitting present, but we should stand up for the petition. When I had a meeting with President General, I said the biggest problem they deal with is that some persons start to create confusion when there is no confusion. Before you do that, you put out their program tomorrow. That was the day before they had one event here. Come to organize. Let us be educated. Because I might be here today. I know that for people we will participate. And from the day he came and explained debates, organize, appreciate their work.
Okay, Biafra.
Without what he's doing, who will have business in good form? You get around force like this, and our last law, ETA a web publishing company, you can hold that company, and that is why ETA is a value. In complementary organization, we are happy. The chairman of the organization strategic committee, Professor Sonuga, am I correct? Will at one point in time we will pass this document to him from the secretariat and other members of the strategic committee to study and relate back to it so that they can work together to put two documents together. All can they tie, all can they web. For Abubuwan na launch, Ohanese, they had in Abubuwan, and I na launch here with 200,000. Thank you for the audience.
Kụkwa ya aka ọzọ aka Biafra ọzọkwa ụlọ afụgoro onye nna ya zuru ori ji ụkwụ agbawa ụzọ. Ndewo.
Biko nwoke ọbụla ebe a ọ bụ self-determination and big in your efforts. John was good all the same. What you go and get the one but every will and the I know they bring the air of freedom. It's one man with a special loss. To be better. That they will protect the law of the and now we take a pillar, link with the which the message believe that when you issue the message, you need to get it back.
Mr. President, just for the sake of a few Kunamachagi Onyawu, I should remember that all this person win election to the House of Assembly in Rivers State beat all the day wearing here Amechi. Yes, because Amechi has Abia, Onya winning the election. You will have gone to the House, maybe you will have gone to the Speaker, and so forth and so forth. Just for information, there we go.